Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today I'm going to answer a question. Why are my home windows permanently foggy? Let's answer that. So I have here a dual pane glass unit sample. When I'm driving around, I can easily spot a seal failure. So seal failure is you have a broken seal between the spacer and the glass panels. And the argon or dead air space that's in there, well, whatever air is in there leaks out, and then the humid air that we breathe goes in and then creates cloud-like surfaces. Or if you have low-E coating, it can rust out the low-E coating, and you're thinking, well, rust. It's because a metallic coating, the low-E, once moisture touches that low-E coating, it's a metallic coating, you start to see some rust colors. And when it's typically green, it'll start to turn colors of like burgundy and purple. It's the craziest looking thing. Those are all indications of a seal failure. Trying to clean your window and you're looking at it going, I can't get this thing clean no matter what. Two pieces of glass, spacer fails. The wrong air enters in here, which is our air, fogs it up. So that is the reason why you have the moisture between the panes of glass. That is easily fixable. Most times you can have a glass shop go out to the house and they will order dual pane glass units pre-sealed, specific for your window, and install them for you. So while it's unsightly, it is fixable and relatively cheap too. So you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to fix a dual pane glass unit seal failure. Any questions about it, you can always ask in the comment section. I'll try to reach out as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.